Well, I am at Pomarius Nursery up in Northwest Portland. I'm with Wes, and Wes, what do you do here?
I'm the buyer of the nursery and also designer.
And can you tell us a little bit about the nursery?
We've been here for about 15 years. We specialize in unusual plants, topiary, indoor plants, and containers.
And I see that you have a really cool, we call it a house strip, out on the area right by the street, and there's really cool plants there.
Yeah, we've planted that to let homeowners kind of have an idea of what they could do with their house strip. It's a lot of drought-tolerant plants, including manzanitas.
And we're talking about Manzanita here. Little Prince of Oregon is one of our sponsors, and they talk about plant picks every so often. And so I'm with Mark, and Mark, it's great that you have manzanitas, and you can see them right here too.
Yeah, so there are some great installations just out on the street that were done by Sean Hogan, who is kind of a legendary designer who uses a lot of manzanitas.
So Mark, tell us a little bit about the manzanitas.
Okay, so Manzanita is the genus Archostaphylos, and kinnikinick is a common name for that. And kinnikinicks are generally just low-growing ground covers that are very drought-tolerant. But there are also a lot of upright manzanitas, and those are the ones that we've primarily been interested in seeing what's happening at the research station. One of the reasons why they did this trial was to see how manzanitas would handle our colder, wetter winters, and it turns out that they've done really quite remarkably well. There are certain varieties that may have be doing better than others, but we've kind of picked the 20 varieties that we think are most garden worthy for Northwest Gardens.
And so what would the care be if I put it in my garden?
So they need well-drained soil, and they need very limited, if any, summer water.
Oh, wow.
I mean, they want to grow really dry.
Ah, nice.
So they're a great structural plant. I mean, they're evergreen. They bloom with really pretty blooms early, like late winter actually, and just a great structural plant for the landscape.
Well, maybe Manzanita is a new plant for you. You can come out to Pomarius Nursery and talk to the staff here. They're very knowledgeable. It's a great place, good gardens to check out, or go to an independent garden center that carries Little Prince, and if they don't have it in stock, ask them to bring it in. Thanks so much, Mark. Thanks so much, Wes.
Thank you.